The easiest way I figured to understand the industry was to first get the reps in underwriting and doing these transactions, but with none of my own capital at risk other than earnest money, if you will. So I just literally switched all of and I'm one of those proponents of done is better than perfect. So instead of reinventing the wheel, I literally just took all of the processes and procedures I had in my wholesaling company, including the letters, and then just switched the word house or home to self-storage facility and then started sending them out to lists that I had purchased. And then they started calling us. One of the interesting things that I learned, though, was it is a little bit different than the small single family or multifamily world. Whereas small properties, when you're a wholesaler, you're typically having a conversation around solving a problem, right? They owe money somewhere. They don't have enough money to pay the bills. They need cash fast. That is not the type of conversation you have with self-storage owners. What I found out is that self-storage facilities, even if you're trying to lose money, it's almost impossible to lose money at these things. So no one that called me back was in any type of level of distress whatsoever. They're all cash flowing. They're all happy. And it was, instead of it being, let me solve your problem type of conversation, it was more, let me take your daughter to the dance type of conversation, where they needed to know and trust you. They didn't care how much money you had. They wanted to know that you're going to take care of their baby after they had given it to you. So the rapport building takes much longer. These transactions are a little bit longer from start to finish, whereas a single family home, I could be under contract within 30 days and then day one, and then close within 30 to 45 days later and get paid. These ones are a little bit longer, maybe 3, 6, 9-month transactions. But the spreads are much larger. So instead of making, already our wholesaling company was making a pretty large spread on average. Most wholesalers, they make $5, maybe $8,000 per transaction. We were making I think 32,600 was our average rip per wholesale deal in Chicago.